This is the lecture for William Carter's Will I Be a Dead Person? And in the article, you'll notice very quickly he starts talking about, in a recent paper, Was I Ever a Fetus? Eric T. Olson argues convincingly that the standard view of personal identity cannot resolve the fetus problem and should be rejected. I shall show that Olson's favored biological view of personal identity is in much the same boat. And so, what are the standard view and the biological view? The standard view is basically the psychological theory of personal identity. So Parfit's theory and people who more or less agree with Parfit. It's called the standard view just because it's the most popular. This was written back in 1999, so but I don't think anybody still calls it the standard view. Uh, Mostly because there are sort of now more views on the table, and you can tell because back in 1999, Olson was sort of advancing the biological view. But as we know, there are at least two separate biological views. The Williams kind of thing, which is like the bodily view, or maybe the brain view, or maybe those are two different ones. Maybe one is body, one is brain, and those are both possibilities. And then there's animalism, which is what Olson accepts right now. And so, sort of before Olson got to animalism, he was more broadly defending the biological view, but now we sort of subdivide things more. So just standard view is psychological, and biological view is, Williams plus animalism, and people who agree with those sorts of things.